My dear student, today I am going to talk about the skeletal survey in the Department of Radiology. See, skeletal survey is previously in one time it was very popular because lot of imaging is it was dependent on radiography, but due to now CT and MRI, the skeletal survey is which is not happening. Okay, so skeletal survey means you can see here image itself is a series of radiograph performed systematically to cover the entire skeleton or anatomic region appropriate to clinical indications. So this is the where identifying the any focal or diffuse abnormalities in the skeleton. Skeleton in the sense not skull, it is a whole body related to the bony pathology. Okay, so it was taken in the for the infant and children, not for the adult patient and all. It is purely for the infant and the children. So what are the radiography used to take when it comes? They used to take about radiography of bilateral anterior posterior AP view and PA view for the both side. Example: hand, forearm, humerus, feet, leg, femur, pelvis, spine and skull. Whole body radiography will be taken, which is AP and PA view of those part. So it might be includes in that wrist, elbow, shoulder, ankle, knee, hip, any those kind of images also will be included. So what are the indications when such indications is there? They used to take when there is a such indications of known or suspected physical child abuse, skeletal dysplasias, discriminated infections, metastatic bone disease, or multiple myeloma, or anything related to, you can see there are Paget disease, osteogenic infection, and any metabolic bone disease like rickets, scurvy, hyperparathyroidism, renal osteodystrophia. Such any decision is disease is there means they used to take the radiography of from the top to bottom. Few of the example images I'll show you here, which is so this is the site. I'll show you. You can see this is the radiography, which is a different of radiography which is taken. You can see this is the humerus. I don't know why it is happening. Okay, anyway, so these are the different radiography which they will be taken. Example, here you can see there are certain skull lateral view, thoracic lateral view, lumbar lateral view, AP view of thoracic, AP view of lumbar spine. The similar way, joints, the different joints radiography, humerus, elbow, all those things, it will be taken. You can see in the image itself here only. These images are I'm not able to open. Okay, those are the images. So example, if it is suspected non-accidental injury, NAI we call, there is one kind of indication, in the sense if the patient is a child or a baby without any history of accident, any history of injury, fall, or there is no, still frequently patient gets fracture. So that's a non-accidental injury. So such is there means skull two views, AP and lateral. You can see here chest AP view and lateral in inspiration. Then to see the ribs, we'll take it in a different angle views. Abdomen, which includes pelvis and upper femoral, and both legs AP, feet, the knee, ankle, arm, hand. Wrist, especially wrist is very important. Hand and wrist is very important in radiography. Then spine. This all radiography will take to identify what are the different type of due to this is the reason. What are the different type of might be the reason. I'll show you few images. So you can see here in the image, the bone definitely not a abnormal images you can make out. In the humerus, this is the AP view, this is the lateral view. There are a lot of views it will be taken, series of views will be taken. You can see here there are different views which is taken: pelvis, femur, lower leg, feet, hand, forearm, bilateral, humerus bilateral. These are the views it will be taken. So this is mainly for to see related to bony pathology. So that's all. Skeletal survey is very simple topic, but only you have to remember the indications. That's very important, because the indication is very important. If you remember the indications, you can write down the indications of it. You can see here there are all the indications is mentioned here. Then what are the views it is taken? That view you have to mention from the top to bottom what are the radiographic view it is taken. Thank you. Please go through that indications and the definition of there. So that will might shorter question or short essay kind of question might come for the examination.